Azure CLI is a command line tool that will help you interact with Azure services. It's perfect for developers, IT admins, or anyone who wants to manage Azure without using the graphical interface. With Azure CLI, you type commands to do things like create virtual machines, manage storage, or deploy apps. There are a number of reasons that you should be using Azure CLI. First, it saves time when you want to do something repeatedly. Instead of clicking around, you can run a single or multiple commands to get things done quickly. You can achieve automation using Azure CLI. You can write scripts to automate repetitive tasks like creating resources or managing configurations. Whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, Azure CLI works everywhere. You can even use it in the browser with Azure Cloud Shell. For developers, it's consistent experience. The commands are easy to understand and follow the same pattern across all Azure services. Let's unpack few features that it comes with. Using Azure CLI, you can manage everything in Azure Cloud. From virtual machines to databases, you can create, configure, and delete resources. Azure CLI is integrated with scripting. You can combine commands into scripts to perform complex operations. For example, deploy a whole environment with one script. Azure CLI also provides interactive mode. If you are unsure about a command, the interactive mode will help you with suggestions and explanations. And it does support flexible output formats as well. Means you can get your results in a plain text, JSON, which is great for developers, or in tables for easy readability. How to get started with Azure CLI? You can install Azure CLI from Microsoft official website on your laptop, desktop, or you can skip installation by using it in Azure Cloud Shell. You can then log in using AZ login command. Once you log in, then just run Azure CLI commands. You should get the reference from the internet. And we will see this as part of the demo, no worry. And if you need help on specific commands, always run at the command prompt az-help. In short, Azure CLI is like a remote control for your Azure cloud. It's fast, versatile, and lets you manage everything with just a few keystrokes. Whether you are creating a virtual machine or deploying an app, Azure CLI makes it quick, simple, and efficient. Plus, once you get the hang of it, you will feel like a cloud ninja.